Hey everybody, and welcome back. We are just hanging out together today in this messy house of ours, just me and the kiddos. We'll obviously be doing some cleaning today, and I'll share a little bit of a day in the life. I'll explain why the Christmas decorations are up here in just a minute. Obviously this video was filmed at the beginning of January, and we have just had non-stop sickness in our house, like back to back. As soon as somebody's getting better, then we're catching something else, and it has just been a crazy roller coaster of sickness for like the past 8 weeks. So on this particular day, I actually was starting to feel sick, and I was just determined to get a video filmed, and I didn't want this video to go to waste. So with all that being said, here is a day in the life, just me and the kiddos hanging out, and I hope that you enjoy just hanging out with us today. And I won't be talking through the whole video, but I'll definitely chime in every now and again and share some things with you guys. But there are certain parts where I just like to enjoy listening to the music as well, and I hope that y'all enjoy that as much as I do too.
So small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car.
So like I was sharing with y'all earlier, this was right after Christmas, so things were just still a little chaotic with Christmas decorations everywhere and presents everywhere, and it was just a lot. And this was the beginning of our sickness, so things did get a little overwhelming at certain points. Like I felt like I was drowning in my own house, and but luckily enough, with Peter's help, we were able to get all the Christmas decorations down and packed and put away. I feel like the next week after this was filmed, so it was a good feeling. You know, we love Christmas, it's like our favorite time of the year, but after you've had it up for a while, it's just nice to get things back to normal and just get things all fresh and clean, ready for the next season. And so that's what I was so eager and ready to do here, but there's only so much you can do when you're by yourself at home alone with the kids.
Look
while I was putting this video together, I put this song here not realizing how fitting it would be for this video and for these moments of just me here with the kids. So I'm just gonna not talk during this song and just enjoy these precious little moments.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and beyond your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes.
So I asked y'all about a week or so ago what types of videos you would like to see more of on my channel, and I actually got more of a response than I was expecting, so I appreciate that, you guys. The votes were fairly even throughout, surprisingly, but the highest votes was the day in the life videos, so I'm going to be doing my best to put more day in the life videos up for you guys.
I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind. I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind. I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, the sky is falling down.
What's them?
What was that, baby?
And on.
What are you saying?
I should like queen. I did queens.
You're cleaning?
I like queens. All day so.
You clean like mommy?
One, two, shows. Now and cleaning. One.
You're such a big helper. Thank you, baby. So this video will be wrapping up here in just a few minutes, but I don't know if you can tell, but it literally took me the whole entire day to get this kitchen clean, and that was my goal. I just needed to get things tidied up, and I don't expect it to be perfect because, I mean, whose house is perfect? You know, reality, nobody's house is, and that's okay. It's just whenever you have little ones, their needs come first, and you just do what you have to around that, and that's just life. But anyways, I just hope that y'all enjoyed this video. I hope that you decide to stick around and become part of our YouTube family, and don't forget to leave a comment. I love to hear from you guys, and until next time, I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.